Hello people, today we are going to learn on how to separate some text or words in a cell of Microsoft Excel to have them be in their unique cells. For example, one cell is having 3 words. Now, these 3 words can be in 3 cells instead of 1. Let's dive in and check it, please. Okay, open the Microsoft Excel. This now here is the Microsoft Excel, and I have my data here. Someone was feeding this, was typing the names, but the mistake is in one cell. Contains 3 names: Mahindi, Misumeno, and Mayai. Instead of Mahindi to be here, Misumeno to be here, and the Mayai to be here. This is now my task to separate these names to be in different cells. Let me do it. Select the first name, Shift, click, hold the Shift, and click the last cell. This is the adjacent selection, not non-adjacent. Come to data here, click text to columns. Here we have 2 things, delimited and fixed width. Choose delimited. Then click next. Here on next, and take this first. Here we have limiters. What makes the name to another name to be separated? Mahindi and Misumeno. Something between separates this name. That is a space. So you come to space, not a comma or not a semicolon, but a space. Click space. Misumeno and Mayai, the same. All these names have one feature, that is space. So we click here on space, then we put next. And here you see the preview. The preview is now showing that 3 columns means in 3 cells. 1, 2, 3. Next. Now finish. All these words, 3 unique cells. It's the unique cell, the unique cell, unique cell. And now, what if there is another feature instead of having the space in between these words? For example, Mahindi and Misumeno. Previously we saw Mahindi space Misumeno. But for now there is Mahindi, comma, Misumeno. The same to this, all this the same. Comma, 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 comma. Okay. Select the first, use adjacent selection. Come to data, text to columns, the same. Delimiter, delimited, okay. Next. Now, here if you put space, you see there is a comma here. Now you need to remove these commas. How? Remove the space, come to comma. So the feature in between these words is what? Comma. So next, finish. So as you see here now, everything now is okay. You see? You see now? Thank you. Man, please take a 1 minute to subscribe to this channel if not subscribed, and ask any question concerning video productions, animations, and something alike. Don't forget about other tips of computer and other things like football or anything that you wish. Also inform your friend and a friend of your friend to tell their friends and their friends too to subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you. And now the final tip on this issue. Yeah, we have seen the words to be separated by commas, the words to be separated by space. Now the words to be separated by so many features. For example, here, man, you see the what is this? Dash or what? I don't know how to pronounce it. This is the comma and the space also. Tete is a space. Here there is a semicolon. This is the comma. This is the space. So there are mixed features. Mixed features. Now, what can you do about this case? The same thing. Non-adjacent selection. Then come to data. Click text columns. Delimited, not fixed with delimited. Click next. Here we have comma selected. As you see here, where there is the comma, it means now has been put to another cell. Okay, this comma is in here. Okay, no problem. Another thing is this. This is the what? Dash. In French we say trait d'union. In English it is hyphen. Okay, you know it. Something you call it, I don't know. Yeah, so put it here to other thing, other feature, other thing. So where there is the other thing that I've put here, the other thing, this is the trait d'union. It is here already. Because here there is the comma, my eye, there is the trait d'union. It is here. Another feature is here. It is the semicolon. Here. So where there is the semicolon, laptop and tayari. Laptop and tayari, Gina. Laptop tayari, Gina. Gina is the trait d'union. Here. Here, the trait d'union. Why this now not done? I mean, there is another feature. Let's look, please. Let's check. Oh, space. Magueseri and Kalam, there is a space between. So we click space. So are these words all done? I think all done. Is there any feature remaining? No. If done now, click next. Yes, man, you are done now. Finish. So everything now is done. Okay? Everything now is done. This is how we do. So if you have maybe advanced or a big project you have been given by anyone, you have been assigned to separate these features. This is the formula. No magic in between, but this is the formula. Use data and then come to column to text. Nothing more. Thank you. My name is Matandiko. See you. Please click on subscribe and be part of this family. Cheers and thank you.